Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, today in this video we will learn why should I learn Flutter. Flutter is a framework that developed by Google for mobile application development. So why should I avoid Java and Kotlin language? Why should I learn Flutter? What are the reasons to learn for new programmer this framework? So we will discuss these points in this video. So first reason why I should learn this Flutter, because this Flutter is an open source code software development toolkit from Google. Because this framework is developed by Google and it is open source also. So two point we got here that Flutter is open source plus is developed by the Google. That's why we should learn it. Second point, that is most important point, is called single code base. That means if we write a code in Flutter, it will be run on both iOS and Android platform. Means just we have to write a code on any single platform. We can write on Android, we can write on iOS, and if I develop a code on Android, automatically without any change it will run on the iOS also. Or if I develop on iOS, then it will run on Android also. And the performance of this code is just like a native. Means if I write a code in Java for Android, or I write a code in Swift for iOS, the performance of Swift and Java is equivalent to this framework and without the change of any interface. That is the plus point in Flutter. That's why we should learn Flutter. Third point, Flutter use a language called Dart. This Dart language is object oriented programming language just like a Java. It's simple just like a Java, but it is so powerful like a Python. So that means if you learn the Dart language, you will learn Java and Python both together. And maybe this language is the future. Now, fourth reason, the hot reloaded and development. That is the unique feature in Flutter where developer can see changes made to code instantly. Means if we do any update at designer side or at the developer side, so that change automatically just a second reflect in both the side. Means if the designer change the code design, then that design reflect to developer immediately. If the developer do some changes or do some code, write some code, then that code automatically reflect to the designer instantly. So it's very fast, very unique feature. Fifth reason, native like performance. That means I already explained that if you write a code in Java, it is very fast in Android. If you write a Swift code for iOS, that is also fast because Swift and Java is the native language for Android and iOS. Similarly, if we write a code in Flutter, that code is written in Dart programming language, and that programming language is very fast, simple and very powerful. It convert the code in native code. Means if we write a code for Android platform, then it convert the code for Android, and if I run the same program on iOS platform, then it convert the code for iOS as a native code. Native means just like a Swift code. So that is the quality of Flutter. Big tech community, sixth reason, big tech community means it's supported by Google, and Google is a big company. So there is a powerful community also, the open source community, those continuously working very hard to make Flutter better, and day by day they are making good changes in this framework. That's why we should learn. Seventh, use of custom widgets means we have a inbuilt widgets also. Widgets means the ready-made codes. We have a inbuilt ready-made code in Flutter. Just we have to use that code and design as per the our choice. Means we can make changes in ready-made codes. From the widgets, the development is very fast. Plus the design is also look much better as compared to the normal coding, because inbuilt widgets are more powerful and more native to the platform also and look very beautiful as compared to custom code. So that's why we have a widgets like of code in Flutter. Eighth reason, if I design the UI or business logics for one platform in Flutter, like I develop my code on Windows platform, then the Windows, Linux, Web, Mac, iOS, Android, on all the platform, the look and feel of UI and the business logic of Flutter will be same. No change in a platform. Means if I develop any code and run on a window, so application look different in Linux and Windows platform, but Flutter code will look same. You cannot differentiate that it is a Windows or it is Linux program or it is a web program. All look like a same. Same interface for Android, same interface for Mac, same for Windows, same for Linux, same for iOS, same for web. So for all the platform we have a same look and feel from the Flutter. Last one, the reason 9, need less testing. You know that when we develop a software, 60% cost always goes for testing, and if we reduce the cost of testing, that means we can save the money and we can got the profit. So by using a Flutter, you can save the money. Like normal testing require check code compatibility on different platform, but with Flutter app uses single code base with no change to run across different platform. That means once you test your code for one platform without any change, that code will run same on other platform also. That means if I run the code on Windows, it will run same on Linux, it will run same on iOS, it will run same on Android. So by this kind of code save lot of time and lot of money for the developer, for the company also. You know that if we develop a one application for Android, then we develop second application for iOS, then we develop one website. So if we develop 3 and 4 types of softwares for single work, then the cost also increase, time also increase. So by using a Flutter, we can reduce the time because we write a code once and we can use the same UI, same business logic, same your look and feel on the different platform. So these are the 9 reasons that justify itself that you should learn the Flutter. That's all in this video. See you for more videos. Bye.